It's Marida.
And Dre. What's going on with it, guys? We just a random day today, a random vlog. We just want to kind of give y'all an update of what's been going on with us.
Yeah, it's an update.
Yeah.
Well, today it's a Saturday, and it's been like we are doing nothing. Like I was editing all day, and he has been
taking care of a few things.
taking care of his thing. And then we decided to come out because we realized the whole Saturday was about to pass us by without going outside.
Pretty much.
And we knew we wanted to give you an update.
Yeah. But we've been doing a whole lot of researches and stuff, and research and stuff like that. One of our main concerns about traveling through the country is which cell phone provider would be beneficial for us.
Because we don't want to go the SIM card route. It just seems like it's going to be a lie.
Yes. So right now we came up with like 3 carriers that we're interested in. We really haven't picked
at least for
yet.
the international plan.
Yeah. So whenever we find out, of course we'll let you guys know who,
We'll show you the research that we do behind it. So we'll also, the deep dive that we do, we're going to post it and show you how we diving deep and looking into it.
That's true. But we just want to find out. We just wanted to give y'all guys an update on that right there. But no, this video here is just going to be a random video.
At our favorite park right next to the apartment. With the duck. But the duck, a few ducks got super close to me. Fun fact, giving ducks bread is giving them junk food. So it's not good to only give them that. Like give them nuts and other food, like a nutritional value. Grapes. Because you don't want someone giving you junk food all day and thinking you're going to be full. So don't do that to the duckies either. We learned it. Last time we came, we researched it and found out. So, yeah, we're going to...
Handy dandy Google.
But, yeah.
But no, this is, like I said, just a random little vlog we're doing today. We actually going to make, that's what we do. We some eaters, but we're gonna try to make like a Creole shrimp and grits dish, Southern style shrimp and grits dish. But so that's what we got going on today. Right now we just relaxing at the park.
I'm over here in my little blanket falling apart.
So we need
reading a book over here.
We need a few more ingredients, so we're gonna go to the store a little bit later and get the last bit of ingredients we need. But we're gonna show you guys that, so you guys stay tuned for that.
For appetizer, we're going to have pupusas, queso, cheese, and loroco. And so that's going to be our appetizer. Then for the shrimp Creole and grits, for the shrimp part, you start off with the bacon for flavor. Four cups of water.
How about you come closer? Go ahead.
Let me see the label one more time.
So anyway, guys, this is our final touch to the meal. Cajun Southern yeah, with Southern, what do we call it?
It's a Southern shrimp and grits.
Yeah, that's it. Southern shrimp and grits.
With okra.
With the okra and tomatoes. It's really good. I mean, I only made this dish like a couple times, but every time I make it, I always try to like add my own touches to it to make it to our likings.
All right, before we dig in on this food, he already talked to you about we're looking into the phone plans. And the three phone plans that we're looking into is
international phone plans.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Important. International phone plans that we're looking into is Google Fi, Verizon, and T-Mobile. Mm-hmm. Well, pretty much those are the ones that we're really going to be doing a deep dive into, and we'll let you know which one we end up choosing.
Yeah. And if y'all, know any good international phone plans,
yes,
let us know in the comment section, because this is new for us. And, any suggestion would, help. You know what I mean?
That's true. And at the same time, we'll keep letting you know, too, because it's our trip, but you guys can also we're learning, and you guys can take whatever you guys want from it as well.
Yep, that's it there.
All right, on that case, we're going to dig into our food. We'll talk later. Bye.